I am. I'm. You are. You're. He is. He's. She is. She's. They are. They're. We are. Where. There is. There's. What is. What's. Where is. Where's. Who is. Whose. Who are. Who are. Are not. Aren't. Is not. Isn't. Were not. Weren't. Was not. Wasn't. Does not. Doesn't. Do not. Don't. Need not. Needn't. Did not. Didn't. Cannot. Can't. Could not. Couldn't. Will not. Won't. Would not. Wouldn't. Has not. Hasn't. Have not. Haven't. Had not. Hadn't. Might not. Mightn't. Must not. Mustn't. Should not. Shouldn't. I will. I'll. You will. You'll. He will. He'll. She will. She'll. They will. They'll. I would. I'd. You would. You'd. He would. He'd. She would. She'd. They would. They'd. We would. We'd. I have. I've. You have. You've. They have. They've. We have. We've. Who have. Who've. He has. He's. She has. She's. There has. There's. That has. That's. What has. What's. Who has. Whose. I had. I'd. You had. You'd. He had. He'd. She had. She'd. They had. They'd. We had. We'd. Who had. Who'd. Let us. Let's. Want to. Wanna. What are you? Whatcha. Kind of. Kinda. Don't know. Dunno. Let me. Lemme. Give me. Gimme. Tell them. Tell 'em. Isn't it? In it? Going to. Gonna. Need to. Needa. Got to. Gotta. Come on. Come on.